Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Jaguar XF diesel. Lovely condition. It's got the front parking distance control. Lovely contrasting red and the beige interior. Rear park distance control with a camera. Boot area is in lovely condition. So the interiors are lovely. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Just step into the car, start it up. See all the air vents open and close. It's only done 81,360 miles. Got a reverse camera, satellite navigation, DAB media pack, Bluetooth connectivity, 3-stage heated seats, aux and a USB, cruise control, pole shift on the gearbox. Really is a nice specification. DJH provide full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call at 07503 751 005. Thank you.